Hi all, it's Micah. How's it been? In this video, I'd like to show you 5 secret tricks that help immensely when it comes to CSS. That at first you might not realize is possible, but once you do, it gives you so many opportunities. These things help a lot. Now, let's jump right into it. The first is CSS Variables. I didn't know that was a thing for a long time, that you could create variables with CSS. I thought that was just for languages like JavaScript or Ruby or Python or other languages, but not CSS. It's just for styles. No, you can create variables. You can create my background is and then you create the background color of this or that, so that you don't have to remember the exact percentages or numbers for the RGBA for every single time you need to use it. You just remember my background. It's a lot easier to remember. And you could do that for all your, if you have a whole color scheme, you'd have like main color, accents, shades. It makes it so much easier to remember and apply them into different areas of your code when you have, variables. So please use those. Second trick is linear gradient. It gives a nice sheen to everything that you use it for, except you don't use it for text. You don't need it for that. That's too much. But for any kind of background, apply the linear gradient to the background image. It gives this kind of sheen, this like metallic sparkle that looks much more dynamic than your plain static window with some kind of plain color just plastered on there. Linear gradient, it's exactly as it sounds. It's a gradient of, you choose multiple colors where it blends one color to the next across whatever angle you want to choose, top to bottom, side to side. You could have it diagonal. It gives it a blend, dynamic feature that a lot of people look for in modern websites. The third trick is clip path. Clip path is a sort of niche trick that I learned recently as well, and it has to do with taking your whatever section of your HTML you have, and you could manipulate that section. It's not like your border radius. It's not even like transforming it. You're not rounding anything out. You're not tilting anything at all. You're literally cutting pieces out of your section wherever you like. And what this lets you do is to possibly give your different sections of your website this nice, cool, angled, slanted look. You could give a fun little on-edge feeling. It's a little tweak that goes a long way. Fourth, and this helps a lot with clip path as well, negative margin. I didn't know that was possible at first, but yes, you could, if you want, margin, you could use margin to give your sections of the DOM space. But let's say you want to pull an element a little bit closer to you, just align them. Negative margin, and this helps with clip path especially. Like, let's say you have a piece of clip path that's cut off. Well, now the element above it is at normal level and there's this little space in between it. Well, what do you do with that space? Well, you'd use negative margin to pull the above element towards the clip path element. And number 5, and this is another cool style I did not learn at first, just simply because I didn't know it existed, but as soon as I did, I applied it everywhere because it is cool. That is box chat. That's exactly what it sounds like. Gives any kind of element, any kind of box, like this little shadow to it. It can make it look like it sticks out a bit more. It gives your website a bit more of a dynamic look to it. So obviously this is a feature to apply liberally anywhere you'd like. Let's say buttons or sections, sides, any kind of thing. Just give it a little shadow, makes it pop out more. And that's it for this video. That's 5 CSS tricks that will help take your code to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified of any upcoming videos, and absolutely share this video with anyone who would like to see anything about CSS. Now, I will come at you with some React modules next, so look forward to that, and see you next time.